here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's our very first 2021 Ram 1500 Rebel, so let's take a peek. In front of this truck you do have the blacked out bumper with your built-in park sensors, your black badging, and then underneath the hood it has the 5.7 liter HEMI. Side of the truck it does have the 18-inch blacked out rims as well as proximity entry and the blacked out badging, but we'll take a look at the back. At the back of the truck it has the black bumper with your built-in park sensors. It has your dual exhaust, your hitch receiver, your 4 and 7 pin wiring, your blacked out badging. It has a built-in backup camera as well as the soft open tailgate with the 5.7 box. Inside of this truck it does have the nice heated seats as well as the heated steering wheel. Tons of space in your center console. This center piece does slide around. Lots of room in your 2 glove boxes. And then this one has the 8.4-inch touch screen. You can access your heated seat and your heated steering wheel as well as your backup camera on here. This one also has your cruise control settings as well as your Bluetooth and then the power folding mirrors. In the back, this truck is a crew cab, so you have tons of space for your passengers. You have a couple cup holders in your flip down armrest. And then these seats do fold up, giving you tons of storage underneath, and you can also flip this piece out as well. If you're interested and want to make this one yours, give us a call, 780-942-3629.